Let's dive into these pre-owned Cartier precious gem earrings and find out more about them. Cartier diamond studs, total weight 8.06 carats. Carat weight is one of the 4 C's used to assess and describe the quality of a diamond. These Cartier diamond studs have a total weight of 8.06 carats. One is 4.01 carats and the other is 4.05 carats. Cartier diamond studs cut, round, brilliant. There are several different diamond cuts, each with its own unique characteristics, such as round, princess, pear, emerald. These stones are both graded excellent symmetry by GIA. Cartier diamond studs color grade, E. These Cartier diamonds are both E color, colorless, only D color is better. Cartier diamond studs clarity, VVS2. Diamond clarity refers to the presence of internal characteristics, called inclusions, and external characteristics, called blemishes. These Cartier diamond stud earrings come with GIA certificates, Cartier certificate, valuation report, box and leather bag, an original Cartier bill of sale. For more, browse us online at grayandsons.com.